peaceful. What the fuck is that shit, man? Even those fucking pussy vegan people, man, their bodies are killing bacteria all the time that are entering the body. You know, don't be a hypocrite about it. Your very existence is killing things. You know what I'm saying? So, I say, what's a couple people here and there? You know, if your body's killing off shit anyway, fucking do it. Do it to the max. You hear me at home? Do it to the fucking max.
And I took that woman and I stuck a roofie down her throat and injected her full of the last remaining heroin, put a bag over her head and put her in there. And I finally did make it to Delaware. And once I got there, well, I took them out into the woods by the Delaware River, the hardest, most rigid, most rapid part of the Delaware River. Loud, screaming sounds of the river. No one can tell who's being raped, and it's just the river sound. You can't discern. So I was out there, and I had my way with the first person. So yeah, I had my way with her, and she's all screaming, and oh, please stop, and oh, why are you doing this to me, and oh, please, it's hurting, it's painful, you know, I'm bleeding, what the hell is wrong with you? God, I hope someone's trying to see my life. Back to know exactly where she is now, and since I can't be tried for the same crime twice, this is gonna be real good. So I had my way with her, and the other one, she wasn't
younger. You sure you're 18? How long ago did you turn 18?
February, 4 months ago.
Let's see what's down. You looking for friends?
Yeah, my friends.
Yeah? You need some help?
If you're forced to live in prison?
Do everything I can to escape, and if necessary, kill prison guards on the way out. And I'll go right back to doing what I did before as soon as I hit the streets.